Please watch this video till the end because the wrong dashcam can leave you unprotected in an accident. And today I'm revealing the top 5 best dashcams of 2026. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dashcam offers the best video quality, safety features, and real-world reliability. Whether you need dual cameras, GPS tracking, night vision, or voice control, this video will guide you to the right choice without confusion or hype. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Vantrue N2X Dashcam. The Vantrue N2X features 2.7K HDR recording, front and inside dual cameras, 5G Wi-Fi, STARVIS 2 sensor, IR night vision, voice control, and GPS tracking. It captures smooth 60 FPS footage for clear daytime and nighttime recordings. Review highlights. A reliable dual-camera dashcam for drivers who want to monitor both the road and inside the car. Strong night vision and responsive controls make it perfect for rideshare drivers. Pros: dual dashcam, front plus inside. 2.7K HDR video at 60 FPS. IR night vision. Voice control and GPS support. Number 4. Vantrue N5 Dashcam. The Vantrue N5 is a 4-channel dashcam offering 360 degrees coverage, STARVIS 2 sensor, IR night vision, GPS, and voice control. It supports up to 512 gigabytes memory for extended recording. Review highlights. Excellent for full coverage recording. Perfect for drivers who want to monitor all sides of their vehicle and never miss any details. Pros: 4-channel recording, 360 degrees coverage, IR night vision, voice control, and large storage support. Number 3. Vantrue N4S Dashcam. The Vantrue N4S is a 3-channel dashcam with Wi-Fi, STARVIS 2 sensor, HDR recording, waterproof rear camera, and 24-hour parking mode. It records in 2.7K plus 1440p plus 1440p resolution for crisp and detailed footage. Review highlights. Reliable 3-channel solution for capturing front, rear, and inside views. Great for families, rideshare drivers, and security-conscious owners. Pros: 3-channel recording, front, rear, inside. HDR and IR night vision. Waterproof rear camera. 24-hour parking surveillance. Number 2. DDPAI Dashcam. The DDPAI Z50 features 4K front plus 1080p rear, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and dual dashcam functionality. It offers smooth video quality and easy access via its app. Review highlights. Excellent front and rear coverage, accurate GPS tracking, and user-friendly app. Ideal for daily commuting and long road trips. Pros: 4K front plus 1080p rear, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. Dual dashcam setup, easy-to-use mobile app. Number 1. WOLFBOX G900 Dashcam. The WOLFBOX G900 Pro is a 4K front plus 2.5K rear dashcam with GPS, voice control, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It delivers professional-grade video quality and reliable recording for both daily driving and emergency situations. Review highlights. Top-tier dashcam for serious drivers. Smooth 4K recording, fast connectivity, and built-in GPS make it the most dependable choice on the list. Pros: 4K front plus 2.5K rear recording, voice control, GPS tracking, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Excellent real-world reliability. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. After comparing video quality, connectivity, GPS accuracy, and real-world performance, the best dashcam of 2026 is the WOLFBOX G900 Pro Dashcam. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.